In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize articles using Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any article, drop it into Grok, and get a clean, concise summary you can use for studying, research, or quick catch-ups. First, open Grok AI. You can do this by heading to the official Grok AI website in your browser, or by accessing Grok through the X app on your device. Either way, make sure you're on the official platform so you get the best experience and up-to-date features. Next, open the chat interface. This is where you'll type your prompts and interact with Grok. If you're on the website, look for the chat box on the main page or dashboard. If you're using the X app integration, open Grok's chat from within the app so you can paste your text and start the conversation right away. Now, copy the article content you want to summarize and paste it into the chat box. Try to include only the main body of the article. Skip unrelated comments, navigation menus, or ads. If the article is long, it can help to paste it in logical sections. Also, avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information. Stick to the public text you want summarized. Then, ask Grok to summarize. Type a clear instruction like, "Summarize this article," or "Give me a short summary of this text." You can also set expectations, such as summarize in a few sentences, or provide a one-paragraph summary with the key points. Right around here, a quick note. You'll find the official website link at the top of the description. And if there's an app download available in your region, that link will be there too. Use those links to go straight to the correct place. Grok will generate a concise summary based on what you provided. Take a moment to review it. Check that the main argument, critical facts, and any important names or dates are accurately captured. If something seems off, you can paste a missing section and ask Grok to update the summary. Finally, adjust the summary length if needed. You can say, "Make it shorter," expand this to include the main evidence, or keep it to about 100 words. Be specific about length or detail so Grok tunes the output to your needs without adding fluff. That's how you can easily summarize articles using Grok AI. If this helped, feel free to use the link at the top of the description to get started. Thanks for watching.